tutorial we are going to create YouTube channel. If you have never created channel in YouTube before, then you can easily create YouTube channel. Simply by logging in YouTube website. And uploading any video. But if you have already created channel before but you want to create another channel, then you have to follow following steps. Step number 1. Sign in your Google account in YouTube. Now you have to open the link that is given in second step. In the web page of provided link you'll see the list of previous channels, and you can also see the option of create a new channel. Click on that option. And in the next page you'll be asked to give any name to your channel, and after all that stuff, click on the create option. Congratulations, YouTube channel has been created.